When Hannah and Lily discovered the secret garden, one sunny afternoon, Hannah finds a hidden path behind the park. She feels like it's leading somewhere special.
This path looks like it goes somewhere secret. I need to show Lily.
Lily, always ready for an adventure, arrives to join her best friend on the mysterious path.
Where does this path lead, Hannah? I've never seen it before.
The girls step into the forest, where the sunlight peeks through the trees, guiding them forward.
I have a feeling there's something amazing at the end of this path.
After walking for a while, Lily discovers a hidden doorway covered in vines. Could this be the entrance to something magical?
Look, Hannah. It's a hidden door. I wonder what's on the other side.
As the door creaks open, the girls step into a secret garden, more beautiful than they ever imagined.
It's like a dream. Look at all the flowers and butterflies.
Lily wanders through the garden, marveling at the different kinds of flowers and plants.
I've never seen a garden like this before. It's like a magical world.
Hannah discovers a sparkling stream with water so clear and calm, it looks like it belongs in a fairy tale.
Look at how the water sparkles. It feels like everything here is magical.
Lily stumbles upon a secret stone bench, perfectly placed to overlook the beauty of the garden.
This is the perfect spot to sit and watch the butterflies.
As the day comes to an end, Hannah and Lily know it's time to leave the secret garden, but they'll never forget their adventure.
We'll come back soon, won't we?
The girls head home, their hearts full of excitement, knowing they've found a secret place just for them.
Let's tell everyone about the secret garden tomorrow.